text replacement has been one of my favorite features on iPhone and Mac. You type a short keyword and it instantly expands into a longer sentence. Android has had a similar feature in Google Keyboard for quite some time. I always wanted the same feature on Windows, and I finally found a solution. Let us dive in. There is a free open source app called BeefText that brings text replacement feature to Windows. And honestly, it does it even better. Go to Combos in the menu to create a new one, or simply press Ctrl N. Paste your longer text inside the snippet section, assign a keyword, and you are done. If you want to add a name and description, go ahead, but it is completely optional. You can even create separate groups to organize your snippets. What makes BeefText even better is that it supports formatting. You can preserve line breaks, spacing, and the overall layout of your text. If you are a developer, you can save code snippets, SQL queries, PowerShell commands, or anything you use frequently. You can also save long emails, document templates, customer support replies, or any text that you find yourself typing over and over again. Just make sure your keyword is not a common word. Otherwise, BeefText might expand it while you are typing normally. Unlike text replacement on iPhone and Mac, BeefText allows you to preserve formatting and line breaks. The next thing you want to do is change a couple of settings. Enable automatically start BeefText at login so it starts with Windows and keeps running in the background. Then disable play sound on combo if you don't want to hear a sound every single time a snippet is expanded. The only drawback is that BeefText does not sync online. All your snippets are stored locally on your computer. If you move to another PC, you will need to export your combos manually and then import them into BeefText on the new computer. On the bright side, this also means everything works completely offline. No account, no login, and no subscription. If you spend a lot of time typing on your Windows PC, this is one of those tools that quietly makes everyday work a little faster. Give it a try, and you will probably end up creating more snippets than you expected. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.